In Ativa, we stand out in terms of materials and processes because we go further up the value stream than any other Tier 1. We formulate our own materials, we produce our own materials, and we've been doing it for decades.
We both understand it from the material perspective as well as the process, how to use that material and convert it into the finished product.
We take on challenges with a certain level of risk that we think we can manage, but that's what makes the job interesting. Taking new technologies and applying them to applications and products that haven't been utilized before.
Intiva is a leader in stitched interior parts, mainly due to our people. We're very fortunate to have a very creative team who pushes the boundaries both in product and process.
With our stitching technology, which is brand new to the industry, and it's a combination of both manual and robotic stitching, it basically provides you with a cut and sew upholstered, custom upholstered interior using a mass-produced, very efficient, low-cost process.
When we stitch parts, we're able to offer the customers different versions of it. We can offer them a very economical version, which is where the stitch is just molded into the skin material like a grain. We can offer them conventional cut and sew, or we can offer them our latest technology, which is a faux seam with either a robotically or manually stitched live thread, which gives you a very luxurious appearance at a very low cost.
Stitching is that next evolution. It's at that middle road where you're putting a live stitch onto a material or onto a product, and the customer's incredibly excited about it because the end user sees that and they see that as value.
It's great to have the hand sewing, but also it's wonderful to be able to use the technology and be able to be more efficient in your field.
Using a variety of stitch types allows the OEM to put a personality into their vehicle, and what traditionally was only a luxury item can now be brought down to base level and mid-level vehicles.
We control the quality in our stitch products because our people pay attention to the smallest of detail, and they're very motivated to deliver best-in-class products. What makes Intiva better than the competitors is our people, our motivation, and our drive to succeed, to make our customers successful, makes us successful.
We're not resting on our laurels. We're going forward, and we have other ideas that we know we want to implement. We've had other requests from customers in terms of what they'd like us to be able to do, and we march on. And we have in our minds the knowledge of how to execute these new challenges and what it's going to take to go forward and be successful.